In this lecture, you will learn about how to create a Maven project, how to set up a REST assured project in Eclipse, and executing the REST assured project for API testing. So first I will show you how you can download and install Eclipse. Then I will show you what are the REST assured dependencies are required to run or write the code of a REST assured project or API test for API testing. And then we will show you about the executing a REST assured project in Eclipse. So let's begin the session of setting up the REST assured project in Eclipse or environment setup for REST assured project. We will download the Eclipse. For downloading the Eclipse, we will write in Google Eclipse and we will go to the Eclipse official website to download the Eclipse. Once you open the Eclipse official website, there is a option to download. Here you will able to download the Eclipse from the Eclipse official website. So I'm skipping the installation part. It is pretty simple to install the Eclipse. So once you double click on the Eclipse after it got installed, it will open the Eclipse IDE and the default workspace. Once our Eclipse is started, we will click on File, and there we will click on Maven to build a Maven project or to write a Maven project. So you will click on this create this checkbox so that it will be very easy to create a Maven project. We will give the group ID and the artifact ID, so you can give it as per as your convenience, but we will give it here API testing and we'll click on finish. Once we click on finish, Eclipse will create a Maven project for you with a default pom.xml and all other folder structure. So we will wait for the folder structure to get created, and once we have this folder structure created and the project name, we will just rename it for the API testing. Somehow it is not taking as API testing as a project name, so we will rename it. We will just right click and do a refactor. From there we can rename the project. Once we are done with the refactoring and everything, we can start our basic dependencies for the Maven project, for the Maven based project. That is a REST assured. So this is our default structure, project structure, and this is the POM. Inside the POM we will need to add the dependencies. So we will write their dependencies tag, and for the dependencies we will go to the Maven Central website. So we will go to the Maven Central, and from there we will take the dependencies. So I will let you know what are the dependencies required to start a project. So the first thing that we required is a REST assured. So in the Maven Central search box we will write REST assured, and we will get the REST assured from this package name. We will click on the REST assured and we will copy the dependencies. So dependencies are nothing but the jar. So we will copy the 4.4.01 and we will copy it, the entire thing, and we will paste it inside the dependencies tag of pom.xml. So we are done with this REST assured dependencies. We will require a couple of more dependencies to the REST assured commons. We will add that REST assured commons, and there is also one called REST assured all. We will also add that. So and we'll also add the JSON path also. So the version name should be the same. It is 4.4, so it should be also 4.4. So we were keeping the same version 4.4.0, and we will keep it for the entire POM structure. This is the REST assured all, same thing, 4.4. We will copy it and put it there. See, all the three versions are the same version, 4.4.0. Keep this in point. Keep this point in mind. And another as we will be working with JSON, so we will use this JSON path from the rest assured with the same version 4.4.0. We will copy it and put it there. So these are the 4 to 5 dependencies are required. We will add the test ng later. Test ng is also required. You can add it. We can write the test cases in the testng.xml. So we will add that. But for now, for working on the environment setup, these 4 to 5 dependencies are enough. We can check that in the Maven dependencies folder structure. We can check that all the dependencies are getting added one by one. So it's get all the dependencies with the versions have been, jar files has been downloaded in the local system on the Maven dependencies. Now we are good to go for writing the test case. For now we will have one test case. We will write one API testing, as I want to show the demo with you. So this for that we will create a sample test case, and inside that we will write the test case inside the main block, so we can run the test case from the Java mains. I have one test case handy. We will just write the codes. So we will just paste the snippet here, and we will execute it. So our main aim is that whether our environment setup is complete or not. So for the test case writing and how we can write the test cases, that you need to learn from our other videos that I have already posted. So our test case is ready. We can import the dependencies. Either we can import one by one using our mouse, or we can do Ctrl+Shift+O for Eclipse Windows, and all the dependencies will be automatically get added at one. Now we will run it. We will just click on run, and we will go a Java application as we have written in the main class. Let us see what is our output. Systematically the output should be 200. Yes, the output is 200. Also I want to uncomment and make you see what is the exact output body, response body. Okay, so you can also see the response body here with the status code. So this is the response body and the status code. So this means our environment setup is complete and it is working fine. Now we will add the test ng. The same way we will add the test ng from Maven Central. We will go to Maven Central, and here we will write test ng. Once we write the test ng, we will have the test ng dependencies with all the versions. We will go and click one of the versions and just copy it and paste it in the dependencies. Just the other way we have did all the rest assured one, we will do it for test ng the same way. In the later section, I will also show you how you can add the test ng plugin with Eclipse. That will make the work much more easier. So that's all. We have installed all the dependencies. We have configured our Eclipse with Maven and with the rest assured dependencies, and our project is working fine. So follow the steps and you will also able to set up your own machines at your home or in office. Till then, bye bye and see you later.